Hello everybody and welcome to Profit Mission Control. This is Matt, and today I wanted to do a quick video before I wrap up the evening, just going over the trades for today from the launch list. So this is the recap for October 4th, 2017. So today was not necessarily a good day. It was not a green day for the launch list stocks. However, it was a other intraday with the other intraday launches that I also kind of posted on StockTwits. It was overall almost a break-even day, slightly green, but that's okay. I mean, that happens as part of trading. I usually look at aggregate of week on a weekly basis, so for the week we're still doing good. So quickly, kind of the recap of the stocks that launched today or have been in flight and took profits on today. So there's only two winners, which was ZAGG and FELE. But we had three losers, and the overall loss for today was at 35 cents, so per share. That's profit per share, so negative 35 cents profit per share. Two disappointments. One of them was HMN. HMN, I entered the trade at $40 instead of $4.05. Not sure why. I got the alert. I set it at $40.05. I got the alert for some reason. Before that, I jumped into the trade without necessarily putting the right limit price and ended up entering the trade, which turned against me and hit the abort price, which is fine. I mean, mistakes, that's part of trading. The other one was ZUMZ. That one also triggered very briefly. I entered the trade, but it ended up giving it all back. But then after hours, there was news that came out and the stock moved another 50% beyond the actual profit target. So it launched at 19.52 after hours, pushed all the way to $20.50. And so that was the two disappointments. Ended up the day with a profit to loss ratio of 101% versus a planned 135% profit to risk ratio. The accuracy was at 40% because we had 2 out of 5 winners, so that puts us at 40%. And I'll just go quickly through the charts for today. So ZAGG was a stock that launched from yesterday, continued today to move. So our launch was, go to a 5-minute, probably better. So this one launched yesterday, gave back a lot of the price, but never came to the abort price. It then rebounded this morning and continued and took profit at $16.50 as planned. Next one was FELE. That was from today's launch list. It launched, it was very thinly traded. It launched here at 46.60, right there, and then took the trade. Continued to go here. Hopefully was trying to hit the profit target. That didn't work. I held on to it, and then when I tried to make another breakout, it failed there, so I just exited right around 46.87, and it fell down after that. I think it broke through the abort price, but I took profit earlier in the day, and I think I announced it because we were close to the 47 level, but not quite there. ZUMZ is the one that was a disappointment because that one I entered on a very quick entry right here. Not sure why the profit window is not there, but it basically broke the 1952 entry point and then gave it all back, and then I had to abort at 1915. But then after hours, there was some news that came out, and this thing just blasted through both the entry and all the way to the profit target, and even some more. So it sits at $20.50 after hours, which was, you know, a missed opportunity, but then we respect our abort price, and that's why on an aggregate we remain profitable. You know, there's always going to be some disappointment here and there, which is part of trading. HMN is the one that I messed on. That one, I entered this one. It never hit the $40.05. I put an limit order at $40.05. It was filled at $40.05. It's $40, and then gave it all back, and ended up aborting. That was a kind of a loser. And then ILG kind of same story. In the morning, it basically popped through our launch price. My goal was to kind of maybe it would test all this wick here, but it didn't. It reversed right away within 15 minutes. I aborted, and that was one of the losses for today. Which brings up a good point. If I go back to the chart here, so I never show you the opportunity on the profit to risk versus profit taking accuracy chart that I share with you all the time. Never had the opportunity to show you something where we actually end up in the losing zone. So for the year, you guys know this. I've talked about in a weekly recap. We're at 271% profit to risk ratio, and then accuracy at 63.8%. But for today, the plan was to be 135% profit to risk ratio, but the actual results ended up being 101 profit to loss ratio. Basically almost the average winner was just equal to the average loser, because we had about 35 cents sort of in as an average winner from the two stocks that were winning, and then about 35% or 35 cents for the three average losers. So in order for me to have been green today, even at 101% profit to loss ratio, I needed to be, from an accuracy perspective, at least above 47-ish, 50%, right, to be in this green zone. But our accuracy for today was actually 40%. So that puts us in this area, which puts us well in the loss zone. And that kind of illustrates why these two things are important. You can plan for your profit to risk, but then if your accuracy is not there because of market conditions and just that's the unknown, right? That's the unknown that what you'd expect you cannot expect, and you end up being in the losing zone like I did today. Not a whole lot, but still a loss. So that's why sharpening the accuracy, the entry and exit. One of those reasons was a mistake I made on the order, but still I would have still ended up probably red or break even had I not made that error. But this kind of gives you an example of what I mean. So what are in flight? The only thing that's new today is SQ launched today at $30.05. I entered at $30.05, which is another mistake, but the launch price was at $30.07. But it ended up making a nice move to the 30 area, but then pulled back to, I think it's sitting around 30 after hours. Still, the trade is valid. Our port price is going to be at $29.70, and hopefully we can take profits at $30.05. And then waiting for launch. Most of these you've seen. We've added a few. I've added these these three for today's list: EMES, YNDX, and PXWL. I can just show you the charts quickly. So the thought there on EMES is a break of this level here, $9.05, with a push to this red candle all the way up here. Because this is a 5-minute, doesn't show it clear. If I go to the daily, we'll see it better. So the idea is this is forming a cup and a handle, and once after a cup and a handle, you'd expect a breakout. So I'm just waiting for this breakout, and I think if it passes this $9.05, it has a good chance to continue to test the breakout and pass through this level. But my profit window is at 950, so 45-cent profit target on that one. Next one is YNDX, which didn't do very well today, but nevertheless the setup is still valid in my opinion. It's trying to break out from this range that's been consolidating. It's been on an uptrend, and today it never broke through our entry price, which is why there's there is a an entry price that's above. So this green line is not correctly, it's the red line on the profit box. So the entry should be at $34.30, and it did not. It barely touched that today. It basically hit 34.27, but never hit the 34.30. So we're still gonna wait for that launch. I think it looks good. Maybe we'll take a breather and correct a little bit before trying again, but this is an uptrend, and that would be the level to break to continue. And then PXLW is another stock I think we've traded in the past several times, but again, same idea there. It's kind of starting to uptrend and trying to curl back, maybe challenge this area again. So the logical window would be to break this level here at $5.51. So today it actually made a high of $50, $5.50, and that's why, you know, I give it a little bit, a cent or two above to make sure that the entry and the breakout is valid. But then we have this window, profit window, within this red candle here on the left, targeting about roughly 40 cents, I believe, 30 cents or so. So that's kind of the additional stock that we're looking for. Now, since we don't have, since I have a lot of stocks on launch wait here, I'm not publishing a new launch list for tomorrow, but probably Friday I will. And before I leave, kind of remind you about Trade Ideas. So there's a new code for the month of October. The code is FinTech, FINTECH. You put it all caps if you want to get a discount. And the way to do that, we talked about this. The easiest way for you would be to go to profitmissioncontrol.com and go to the Trade Ideas page, which is profitmissioncontrol.com/trade ideas. And if you go there, you will find some description here about the discounts that that's happening for this month. So that's FinTech. You get 15% off the first monthly or annual subscription. And here are the features for both the standard and the premium options for Trade Ideas. And I put the link for you to go. So if you decide to take the standard monthly, for example, it will take you to Trade Ideas website at the order page, and will allow you to put the my internet, come on, let's try this one. Well, it doesn't want you to take you today for whatever reason. Well, we'll scrub that for now. These should work for you once you go there. Oh, there we go. And you apply the code FinTech, all in caps. Oops, there we go. I can spell. That should give you, a good discount on the first month or first year subscription. All right, that should be it. Quick one. I wanted to go to sleep right now, and just kind of remind you, if you guys like this video, and please click on this button here to subscribe or watch other videos that we have in the series. So hope you have a great night, and take care. Signing off, guys.